I think I found it. You sure? That thing's been sitting forever. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Severe rust on the left fender. Need to document this pattern. The depth is critically low here. Note that down.
Okay, copying it down.
Good, move to the quarter panel. All right, let's see what's causing this.
Check the pressure here.
That's not right. I need a closer look. All right, checking for vacuum. Should be holding. Got it. Almost there, just a little more. Got it. Come on, you stubborn thing. Oh, almost there. Got it. Next one.
Almost got it. Just a little more. Oh. There, got it.
Pull gently to release the last of the fibers. Be careful not to strain the connections. Just a little further, there we go.
Got this rear axle separated, now let's move to the front. Get those coil springs compressed, hurry! Front suspension is off, that was quick.
Damn. That's not supposed to happen. Now what?
I've got to get all of this scale off of here. It's coming off in huge chunks.
That's deep rust. Keep it moving to avoid burning through. All right, that panel is done. Looking good.
It's waiting once it started uploading.
Keep your angle steady, let the grinder do the work. Looking good, just a little more. Perfect, a flawless seam.
Keep it steady, almost done. Looking good, keep that seam tight. Just a few more. Perfect.
Good, smooth. Now for the primer.
maintenance. The fine mist of gray primer erupts, locking onto the bare steel as the gun sweeps. A wet, semi-gloss appears.
The clear coat is flowing perfectly. Looking flawless under the lights. Ready for baking.
Ensure even coverage and avoid overspray. Keep the pressure steady. Looking good, just a few more passes.
Torque spec verified. Good. Now the piston. Tightening the headers.
Check the gasket fit.
Installing the intake manifold.
Almost done with the ram air.
Ensure the gasket is seated properly before tightening.
That fits perfectly.
Now, secure each bolt to specification. Inspect for any irregularities. All right, tail shaft housing tight. Let's check these linkages for engagement. Nice and crisp. All right, alignment looks good. Just a little more. And locked in. Perfect.
The perfect routing of the new loom. A sharp, positive click for each and every connection. Precision engineering, finished to factory specifications.
Lead valve is open, pressure's holding. All right, amber is good, solid flow, no bubbles, done.
All right, sliding this caliper over the rotor now. Just need to make sure the ceramic pads are seated correctly, then torque these bolts down. Looking good. All right, that's on. Cooling loop sealed. Done. All right, sliding it in now. Easy does it. Perfect fit. Let's secure the straps.
All right, lowering it down, steady.
All right, got you.
Just a little to the left.
Perfect.
Bolts in.
Pneumatic wrench engaged, tightening the grade 8, securing the mount.
All right, lowering now. Keep it steady. Guide it in. Careful now. Looks good. Settling. Perfect. Almost there. Okay, just a little to the left. Perfect.
The mechanic connects a mechanical fuel pressure gauge to the dual feed carburetor rail, verifying that all plumbing fittings are dry and fully torqued.
Wow, that's a beast.